Hi, I'm Diane Moua, chef and owner of Diane's Place, and this is my star dish. Growing up, as a treat, my parents take us to the Asian store to buy any candy we want, but getting Thai tea out of the cooler was one of the biggest things that I love doing. I was a pastry chef for 20 plus years, so it's kind of like my two worlds clashing together. We make a Thai tea creme brulee batter that we dunk our croissant in, and we stir it off, and it's one of our popular dishes here at Diane's Place. Growing up, I love French toast, but I feel like the bread is always so dense to me. Here, we laminate. Lamination is a process that you make croissant. So it's like a homemade bread that we cut slices out of it. All the excess stuff still has butter, still has all the deliciousness in it. But instead of rolling it into croissant, we make it into croissant bread. The reason why I like this French toast is the bread has so much butter, so when you're eating it, it's like velvety soft. I'm going to dunk it in this Thai tea creme brulee batter. Make sure that your bread, your croissant bread, is at room temp so it can absorb the batter. We have this dish on the menu since day one. And one day we ran out of French toast. I've never seen people so upset about a French toast, something that was 86 off the menu. So I told the pastry team that we cannot ever not have French toast. All right, so this is soaked. And then we have clarified butter. I'm gonna start stirring it off. Put a little clarified butter on here. If you're standing here, you can smell like the Thai tea, the vanilla. So we're gonna stir it off just a little bit just to give it color, and then we're gonna finish it in the oven before we serve it. I mean, if you come here, you get French toast and you eat one, the other one, if you take it home and put it in the air fryer, it's just as good. So take it off, we throw it in the bottom oven. This is called a sizzle platter. That's what they put the meat and everything on. So it's been 5-6 minutes, we're gonna take it out of the oven. And you know it's good when all the sides are bubbly like that, because you know that all the butter is soft, okay? All right, now that the French toast is done, put one here, one here. Hot water. This is whipped cream. Has a little sugar, vanilla, berries, and then do a little powdered sugar. There you go. Thai tea French toast.